Alright, what's up everybody? We're going to do a new tailgate on Blake's truck. If you see right here, there's no handle. That's because the other day he decided to turn into the actual Hulk and rip his handle off. So now his tailgate is stuck shut. And what we're going to do is Blake's going to probably climb into the bed and then show you how to take apart the tailgate and manually open the tailgate.
I'm just going to stand out here and do it.
Oh, okay. Well, it's easier.
Yeah. It takes a T30 Torx.
And then he's going to do that. I'm going to show you. I'm going to film it while he does it. And then we also got a new tailgate. And we're going to show you how to put everything back together so you have a nice new tailgate.
But let's get it done.
Yeah. Hold
on. So you got these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
12
bolts. They're T30.
They're T30. They take off the access door. And I would like to add to this conversation that it doesn't matter, Chevy, Dodge, Ford, this is how it's going to be on all trucks. Even if I walk up to my brand new truck, it's still going to have an access door. Now, if you've got bed liner and you've got to take these bolts out, you've got extra steps you have to take.
I think they might use these screws.
Yeah, sometimes they pull the screws out and then they do it. But if you did bed liner yourself, and you didn't, then you give yourself some extra steps. Actually, I could find that out because my truck's got bed liner. Okay, the access door is off.
So to get the tailgate open, these rods here, you just pull them inward.
And they're probably, if you've got an older truck like this, they're probably going to be stiff. Boom.
It's open.
It's open. So now to remove tailgate,
let me get my little pocket knife here.
You just pull that little clip out, push forward, and you have to pick up on the tailgate. Sometimes it helps if your friend holds the tailgate. There you go. Same thing on this side. Real simple. And then all these tailgates, broken handle.
I'm also going to show you how to make your tailgate theft deterrent.
Show them how it comes off, and then I'll tell them what you're going to do.
All you do to remove the tailgate is lift it up about like that angle, and you pull.
So pull it, slide it out. Okay, so we also had an additional problem. This is the other piece of the bracket that holds your tailgate, where your tailgate pivots on. It can be replaced with these two bolts. And then Blake said he's going to show you how to do theft deterrent. So if you buy a new tailgate and you don't want somebody just walking up and taking it off,
after you put it on, you just take a hose clamp and you put it over this.
Yep.
And that way it blocks this off so that they can't pull your tailgate off.
That's why everything. Yep. All right, let's take this inside and we'll do a little work on the new tailgate, because we are going to need some parts off this for the new gate.
So here's my new tailgate. I got this from Certifit.com. They're actually local here, so I don't have to order offline. I just went down there and picked it up. But it was I believe it was $80 after tax. Nice having them local, because I can open it up, make sure there's no damages. Anytime you order aftermarket, sometimes they come with flaws. But this one's in perfect shape, as it should be. Adam's already started taking some 1000 grit to it a little bit. And we're going to sand it down. We're going to paint it. Sorry, a speech. Man, camera won't focus. Yeah, what'd you make, Adam?
I made a sanding block.
We don't know if it's gonna work or not, but
hey, but you know what? I gotta put a little scuff on here, so
Yeah.
the primer will hold. We are by no means professional painters. So
Yeah,
we're not going to show you how to paint.
No. Watch some other YouTube videos because we're just going to rattle can this for now. Just to, we've got some auto rattle can black paint. We got some self-etching primer.
You could show them what you got if you want.
Yeah, hang on one second. Okay, so here's what I went and picked up. I just picked up some Rust-Oleum enamel.
Semi-flat.
Yeah. So I got that. There's a self-etching primer. And I got some clear coat. This is only temporary paint job here because I plan on getting the whole truck painted. I don't know, probably next year. That's probably a safe assumption. So I'm just doing this to get me through till next year, and then the whole truck's getting painted. But got me a new handle. I wanted black. All I had was chrome. So I'll just wait till I redo the truck, and I could probably paint that chrome one. I don't know. The guy that's gonna paint the truck, he'll let me know what he wants to do. But here's my hose clamp to put over that so that, you know, theft deterrent. That way my tailgate don't get stolen.
Are you ready for me to start laying the base layer?
Ab's gonna go ahead and start doing some painting. Where's your damn safety at?
It's over there. I was just making sure.
Oh, well. Come on now. They lit us up when we did the Harley exhaust video.
Yeah. We're safe now.
We're safe now.
I think. If only you guys knew what I worked in every day.
Yeah. Well, we got a coat on of primer, and I'm sure you guys are gonna be like, it looks terrible or something, but like I said, it's only gonna last a year. I'm just trying to get it to where it's
not going to rust out.
Yeah, not gonna rust on me, and then that way he can paint it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish up this tailgate, get it painted. Next time you guys see it, it'll be painted, and we'll show you how to assemble it. So we got the tailgate all painted up, and I'm sure people will criticize how it looks, but it's just temporary. So we're gonna go ahead and lay this box down, set it down, get the old tailgate laid up here so we can gut it out.
All right, everybody. I'm gonna let Blake walk you through this process.
All right, first thing you need to do is you need to undo these clips. You just kind of pry up on it.
How much are these if they break?
They're under $1 at the dealership, so
easy on your wallet right there. Now, if your tailgate handle doesn't break like Blake's, and it just moves freely, then those clips are broke.
Then, to remove this unit out, it's just 10 millimeter down here. And if you have a handle in there, this is where it'll fall. Now my tailgate's smashed, so up here, I don't know what they hit. So mine's probably going to be a little challenging to get it out of here. There we go. The handle's out. And this piece's out.
Okay.
So now, you need to grab a T45, I believe. Yep, T45 Torx. And come on over to the side here and undo these. pull the rod out with it.
Well, before you pull the rod, I'm assuming the new tailgate has this piece too.
Well, I think. Let's see.
Well, does it go through that hole?
Yeah.
Okay.
Set that aside.
Damn it. Really? There it is. Broke the Ford. The Chevy guy broke the Ford. Naturally. No, just funning, everybody.
If you have the outer piece under here and your new tailgate, I didn't want a tailgate with that piece on it, so I just got a
Standard issue.
yeah. So you would just remove out all these screws here, and
Six.
then there's some on the outsides too, and I believe they're I don't know 10s. You remove those two, and then that'll come off. The only other thing that you have to get off is see if there's any like rubber grommets or anything like that. Which, yes, this is a new day. We got to get this out so I can get that plastic grommet that'll go back on the truck, and I got to get that new bracket for the truck, which I'm just going to pull that out of a junkyard or something. So now that we've got that all done, we're going to take this tailgate down, put the new tailgate up, and start putting everything together. The new handle, get the new tailgate up here, go ahead and get it in here. It's probably going to be a pain in the butt, or not. Just push that down, like so. And grab this bracket here. There we go. Okay. Now we start inserting the rods.
All right, Blake grabbed the rods. Hey, curiosity question for myself because I don't know. Are they side Pacific?
I'm not sure if the rods are, but these are.
But the unit is. Okay.
Yes. Since we painted and we got paint in there, I'm sure it's going to be tough threading this in.
Yeah, it's going to be a little stiffer.
Just remember these bolts here go on the bottom for the cables.
The cable. Yeah, they got a big, let me show you. See how they get the big piece right there, so that way this slide up and down.
Oh, pause for a minute.
And let me get that in. Take and work the guide pin back down.
You gotta, yeah.
You gotta roll it over. Oh, kind of hard one-handed.
Yeah, just make sure you get that clip back in that hole. We won't show it on camera. That clip in there. And then whenever it's all said and done, you want it in like, pull the rod like that, and then you'll clip it down.
Boom. Yeah, just make sure your rust is in the same spot.
Yeah,
It's a good marker.
Well, you just want to pull the slack out. You're not pulling it to unlatch it. You just want to get the slack gone.
Yeah.
And then latch them in. So we'll go ahead and do that and get right back to you. Just make sure that whenever you put your cable back on, that you have this part here, how the flat side towards the tailgate. That way also when you're hooking it to your truck, it's facing the right way to slide it on. So got it all in.
Bam. A little bit of PB blaster on everything doesn't hurt an old tailgate.
Yeah, that way all the damn gadgets and gizmos work right. Little WD-40 or whatever you got. Something to
kind of break the rust up and loosen it.
Now we just got to get the back panel off.
Right here. I just put one coat of paint on it yesterday.
Yeah, that's the old one. The new tailgate doesn't come with one, so you just use your old panel again. Mine's beat up, so we just laid a coat of paint down on it and got to throw it back on. So.
Okay, Blake got all 12 screws in. Then it's nice and pretty again.
Yeah, now my tailgate will shut right.
Yeah, he can join the club of opening and closing tailgates.
Yeah. All right, we're unable to put the tailgate on right now. I had to order in the bracket. I could have gone to a junkyard, but might as well get a new one. Whoever had this before me did quite a beating on this truck, so I'll put a new one on. Anyways, when you take the tailgate off, I think we had to stop it because mine was stuck and it broke. So when you take it off, you lift up on you got to pull the tailgate back at a little bit of an angle. You lift up on the passenger side and then the tailgate will just slide right off. When you go to put it back on, do the exact same thing. Slide the driver's side on first and then keep it at that angle and it'll just slip right down on. So hopefully this video helped you out on basically swapping everything over to a new tailgate. If you have any questions, comment below. Anything you want to add?
Did you say like, comment, and subscribe?
Not yet.
Oh, there we go.
All right. Well, make sure you do that. And I'll put a link down in the description where I got this tailgate from. It was like 80 bucks after tax, so it's pretty cheap. Cheapest place I can find out there. LMC, I think, is a little bit more. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I'll get a link down there for it, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.